Guys, you can see that I've managed to make 154,000, and I'm going to show you how to make this money. So this is just a review video about Heart 8 platform, and if you need to learn it more, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number on top. You can inbox me to learn more because I'm not going to leave the link for it. So guys, here this is how I earn this money. So I invested in AI machines here. So I invested in these machines. I invested in these A series, but there are great numbers of machines here. But for me, I invested particularly in this A series. I invested in A1 and it gave me 48,000 within 16 days. So I'm going to show you how I invested in it. If I come here to income, you can see that now my machines expired because I already withdrew my money. So this is how I earn this money, and I have made several withdrawals. This is just a review. It is not this is an educational video. So if you need to learn about how to make money with this at 8 with investment, you can contact me on WhatsApp so that I show you how to make money. This works in Uganda. It works only in Uganda. So guys, this is how you get started with this. So if you want to learn it, just inbox me on my WhatsApp number. So I'll give you the processes on how to do it, on how to get started here. So on how to get a machine runs for you and you earn some certain amount of money. So I'm just not going to show you everything step by step, but I'm just going to review what I can review here on YouTube because such videos are being blocked by YouTube. But this is just a review video on how to make money. So if I click here in withdraw, so let me show you here in withdraws, you can see that I've managed to withdraw several times. But if you want to learn it, I'm going to teach you for free. Just that you need to invest your money here, and there is a minimum investment of, let me show you here, there is a minimum investment of 30,000 Ugandan shillings. So if you're interested to invest, you can inbox me on my WhatsApp as I have left the number there up. Just inbox me. I'll teach you more about Heart 8. So thank you guys. You can subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.